Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This one is the low powered intelligent solar energy camera over here. You can see over here it says no electricity required, no wiring needed, two-way voice intercom can be spoken, remote surveillance, protects privacy, human detection, simple installation over here. Check that out. It's made in China also. Let's unbox this. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the camera over here. Check that out. So here is the QR code. So each device has its own QR code. And then you can see here is the USB cable to charge it up. And you can insert a TF card over there. You can also add in some batteries over here, 2 batteries. Okay, so it comes with this antenna. This is for the Wi-Fi. So you attach it onto this camera here. This is the solar panel to charge these batteries over here. And yeah, you just attach that antenna at the back over here. So yes, it also comes with your cables and your screws to screw it onto the wall. And then here's the manual over here. And they just scan this QR code to download the app. Yeah, and they just follow the instructions for the installations, and it comes with these two batteries over here, 3.7 volt batteries. So yeah, this is 1080p camera over here. This is the mount that you mount the camera on, the camera, and then here to the wall like this. Then yeah, and then here is just your. This is just the battery back. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the camera.